You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for BeYOUtiful. Yeah, yeah.
Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, BeYOUtiful, formerly known as Ambition Rates. I won't be saying that for long, but just saying. So today I'm doing a collab, which should be pretty fun. So I'm going to be collabing with all things Moelle here on YouTube and NJ Eberhart, aka Nisha. We're all going to be using the Curls and Potions Black Curl Magic to achieve different styles. So you know I'm going to be doing a twist out. NJ Eberhart is going to be doing a braid out. And then all things Moelle is going to be doing a wash and go. So, if you want to see how this product works on different types of styles, different types of hair, and all that good stuff, then make sure you check out their channel as well after you finish watching mine. So, let's get started. Alright, so if you saw my room tour, then you know that literally Curls and Potion products is right here. Can y'all see that? Right here. So, I go hard for Curls and Potions. If you're familiar with my channel, then you already know that I love the Curls and Potions blends, the Rice Water and Acai Pre-Cleanse Primer. I use it as what it says, a Pre-Cleanse Primer. However, you could also use this bad boy as a leave-in conditioner, and that is what all three of us are going to be doing since this is the one that we all had. So, only to be fair, it made sense. If in a perfect world they had the Curls and Potions Tropical Smoothie Leave-In Conditioner, that's what I would really be using. But we're going to be using this one today. And this one's almost done, but I got two more back there, baby girl, so don't you worry, okay? Okay, and like I said, we're all going to be using the Curls and Potion Plum and Pumpkin Seed Black Curl Magic. It has a medium hold and moisture sealing custard. So, I said I never used this, but I kind of lied. I did use this for a bun the other day.
What?
Just because it says on the back here that you can also use it to slick edges as well. And I was like running late one day and I couldn't find my other gel, and I want to use this. Spoiler alert, it is good. I like it for my buns as well.
Okay.
So, I'm excited to see how this would work as a twisting product. So let's just read it real quick. So it says Black Curl Magic is perfect for any style to seal in moisture and add a light to medium hold. A little goes a long way. It adds shine, definition, and a little hang time to most styles. So I'm pretty sure that's hold. So three things. Y'all know, again, if you're not familiar with my channel, girl, Jen, subscribe to your girl. If you find this entertaining, helpful, satisfactory in any way, then you gotta hit that subscribe button. That's the only way, and it's free $99. So if you rock with me, you know that I look for shine, definition, hold, and moisture. 4 things in my twist out routines. So I'm hoping this delivers. First 5 ingredients, right? Distilled water. Ooh, I see a little typo. It's okay. It happens to the best of us. They forgot the R in water. It's okay. Distilled water with fermented black rice water. I'll put that on the screen. So sorbitol, sodium carbomer. That's 5. That's 4. And sodium, okay, hyaluronic acid, basically. This has glycerin. I did not notice that. In my defense, y'all, I bought this in Massachusetts. Okay, yeah, I didn't buy this when I moved to Georgia. So the glycerin probably didn't faze me when I had this in Massachusetts. And I spoke about this already, but I'll just tell you the first 5 ingredients real quick. The pre-cleanse primer used as a leave-in conditioner. It has fermented rice water, aloe juice, marshmallow root, slippery elm, and chia seed extract, okay? For those that hate honey, it's definitely in here. And nut allergies, it has avocado oil. Okay? Cool. Alright, so like I said, I am a ride or die for Curls and Potions. I actually have a discount code. It'll be down in the description bar per usual. So if you are liking things from them, then support your girl, and I highly appreciate it. Alright, so my hair is actually stretched. I want to have this leave-in conditioner marinate. So I'm gonna apply this leave-in conditioner. Y'all, this stuff as a pre-cleanse primer gets my life every time. Lightly wet it, and this got slip. It's very liquidy. So because my hair has been stretched for like 2 days, I do want to lightly remove some of the shed hair, just lightly. So that's kind of what I'm doing, while also, you know, moisturizing my hair. Alright, so I have the pre-cleanse primer, leave-in conditioner, all over my hair. So let's go back to the back section. Now this consistency is definitely like a custard. Very goopy and very loose. As you can see, it'll definitely come right out. Ooh. So it feels really good paired with this primer. Okay, so right off the bat, look at that. Me stretching my hair didn't even matter, honestly, because it literally just shrunk back up. But I could feel the moisture, the combination feels really, really good. And because the primer has amazing slip, I'm able to just glide this on very nicely. Okay, so I went ahead and twisted this side because this side I'm not worried about. It's this side. Ooh. This side is my doesn't want to curl, bougie, extra, doesn't listen, that odd child. This is this side. So I want to see how this custard kind of works for this side. And when I tell y'all, like, this feels so silky smooth together. Okay. I see some curls. Okay, I see something. I'm pretty sure it would be probably more curls if my hair was more wet, but I really don't want to make it. It did a job, it did a decent job, so I'm not mad at this custard so far.
2,000 years later.
Alright, y'all, next day, hair is completely dry. I ain't gonna lie though, I thought this would be more like crunchy, but right off the bat it doesn't feel like that. I don't know, maybe I should have put more. I really thought it was gonna have more hold. I can slightly feel it, but not what I like. It definitely has what I like to call falling off the bone, which is it's separating very nicely.
I'd rather be on that way, trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we...
So I'm actually stretching my hair because I thought I would have had more length, considering that I did it on stretched hair, but I guess the moisturizing part of these products kind of made my hair shrivel up. So while I'm undoing this, let's talk about these products. Y'all already know how I feel about the primer and how I use it typically, but as a leave-in conditioner, I actually enjoyed it. It wasn't bad at all. I loved how it clumped my curls, gave me moisture and shine, so I'm not mad at that at all. Now for the Black Curl Magic, I think I like it. The combination, my hair feels very soft. It doesn't feel like it has much hold though, but I feel like I also could have added a lot more products. I tend to be very light-handed with my products, unlike a lot of other naturals. They're very heavy-handed. I'm not that person, so because I have lower density hair, I don't want my hair to weigh down. So I think I was more hesitant in that fact. But y'all, look at this. Do you see the shine? My hair feels very, very soft to the touch. Feels very moisturized and hydrated. I did say a little goes a long way. Add shine, definition, and a little more hang time to more styles. Definitely has shine and moisture for sure. And definition, as y'all see. I wonder if this can be used by itself and then get more holding power. Because remember, I did use this for a bun and that definitely slicked down. So I don't know. I actually really like it. I'm not mad at it at all. I will probably try this again off camera with just this, or maybe with a different leave-in conditioner, and see if it gives more hold. Because like I said, maybe the primer like gave it too much moisture, but I'm not mad at that at all.
I'm here for it.
So if you're interested in picking this up, I definitely recommend you get on their mailing list, because they usually drop sales that they don't really put on the Instagram, which I love. But I also have a coupon code down in the description bar, so check that out for sure. Again, don't forget to watch All Things Moelle's video and NJ Eberhart's video as well. They're doing two different styles, wash and go and a braid out, with the same product. So if you want to see their thoughts on this, then go ahead and check that out. Their links will be in the description bar. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye guys.